Hey guys, welcome back. I had to go online and research the colors. The colors of this dial here are the Delta Phi Epsilons. And I guess this is a fraternity. And these are the colors. Oh, let me turn my lights on. There we are. Okay. And I am finished and complete. This Delta Phi Epsilon is all done. Let me see if I can put this up. Oh yeah, her hair. And earrings. Alright guys, so tell me what you think. You can like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that each time that a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification so that you can check it out. Again, like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. In the meantime, I will continue with my statuette sorority fraternity series. And I'll come back and have some more for you. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so when I do upload again, you will know. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.